recipe. Today we're gonna make stir fry beef with holy basil or Pad Ka Pao Nuea. I know some of you may know about it. Fortunately today I got those holy basil before the winter season killed them. So let's get started. Alright, first thing we're gonna slice beef. I got flank steaks. If you don't like beef, you can use any kind of meat would you like. Chicken, pork, even seafood. They go well with Pad Ka Pao. After slice, I'm gonna fry this so that it's more tender and all sauce absorb into the beef. Now I'm gonna marinate it. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and then leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour. Next thing, I'm gonna prepare green bean or long bean, whatever you can find in your area. It's a classic ingredient and go very well with Pad Ka Pao. And I also want red color in my ka pao as well, so make it look good. Yes, one more thing is onion. It goes very well with any kind of stir-fry beef. It tastes sweet, that's why I like to add in my Pad Ka Pao. Now I'm gonna blend the chili and garlic. They are important for Pad Ka Pao. Pad Ka Pao supposed to taste spicy, sweet, and a little salty. And then eat it with jasmine rice or bao rice. After we finish blend the chili, I'm gonna recommend some of my sauce that I use for my Pad Ka Pao. I use thick oyster sauce, healthy body band, because I want my sauce more thickened. And soy sauce, I use Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. And then I mix sugar, soy sauce, and oyster sauce together. Let's see how thin it is. See, it's thin. We don't need to add more cornstarch. Now we're gonna start the cooking. Heat the wok and add cooking oil. When cooking oil gets hot, add chili and garlic. And then stir them until they are golden brown. While you stir fry them, you're gonna get aroma from chili and garlic. After garlic golden brown, add beef in. Continue stirring until the beef medium well. Now the beef medium well, we're gonna add sauce. Then stir to mix well. After we add sauce and mix well, we're gonna add green bean. And continue stirring until the green bean gets soft. And then add onion in. Put red pepper to add more color. Alright, final step, we're gonna add holy basil or ka pao. If you don't have holy basil, you can use sweet basil. It can go well with ka pao as well and taste good. So now we're done. Turn the heat off. Alright, time to taste it. It tastes good, taste balanced, not spicy, not sweet, not salty, everything's tasty. Okay, I hope you like my dish. Don't forget to support me by subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!